Well, good morning. It's morning here in San Antonio, and in just a few hours we'll be starting the ceremony to recognize the great leadership that Joe had, and he has subsequently retired and got onto a great job in a great location. And my wife and I have arrived, and we're excited to be here. So she will be in attendance today along with our son, our youngest son, Cameron, 23, and then our oldest grandson, Evan, who's 10. And it's been interesting as we've been here about a day and a half now, and able to sort of look at the property we will be living in, and then also to kind of see a little bit of the San Antonio area. Both our son and grandson are just really impressed with it. And in fact, our grandson said, "Hey, can I come down here and live with you?" So Dee and I are just excited to be here. We're excited to be here from a community perspective. We're also excited to be here from a mission perspective. Being able to have this opportunity to work with you in AFCEC is something that was really a wonderful opportunity that was presented to us here a few months ago. And so the fact that today it becomes reality is something that we're very excited about, and we're very motivated to get here and to start this next journey of our career and the next journey of where AFCEC is going to go as we move forward. Some of the things we'll talk about today when I talk to the folks in the auditorium will be about champions. And there's a couple of perspectives we'll talk about today, and this will be not just today, but we will talk about this as we continue to move forward in our discussions throughout the next year or so, as I have opportunities to come and meet with you, or we talk over VTC or go through the director's calls, is this idea of champions. And as I look at my life, and I'm sure as you look at yours, you'll recognize that from the time you were young on, we all had champions, whether they were inside the family or outside the family. Somebody that believed in you, somebody that was always there for you, and somebody that even when you were going through some difficult times was there to encourage you and help you go through them. And so whether it's what we experienced when we were growing up, or certainly what we've experienced in our professional career with people who believed in us and who helped us along the way to get to where we are today is very important. And then for us, it is not just that, but it is what are we doing to help champion people? And so I think within our organization, we need to look and say, what am I doing to champion people? What am I doing to help grow the next set of leadership within AFCEC and within the United States Air Force? And so we will talk about that and what it means to be champions in that perspective, people who champion other people. But there's also another element of this that we'll talk about today, and we'll talk about as we go forward over the next months and years, and that is the fact that we have mastery. Champions are masters, and you think of championship teams, they're the best. And you think of even individuals that you would say they're a champion. They're the best at what they do. And so as an organization, we are the best. AFCEC is recognized as one of the best organizations. So that idea of mastery is very important, and especially as we continue to move forward in an environment where resources are constrained, whether we have constraints with people or time or money or other kinds of resource constraints, continuing to see how we adapt to that, how we look at what we can do to overcome those constraints we have, and continue to be the best at what we do, and continue to have mastery in the Air Force civil engineering community and in the civil engineering community within the DoD. So with all of that, I think we're going to have a great time working together, and I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm really excited about this opportunity, and we will look forward to getting together with you as we have the opportunity over the next months and years to come out and speak with you face to face or get together over VTC. And so with that, I thank you very much for your time today and look forward to meeting you in the near future. Thank you.